Welcome back. Another day of unboxing. So we got two big packages here. And let's see what's in these. This is a 7-volt input voltage. Okay, I see what this is. This is the solar bird bath. That's the stand. And that's the battery for the solar power. Included in the package, solar panel, one submersible water pump. This product is intelligent and energy savings powered by solar power. Place the product in the sun with enough sunshine, no less than 30,000 lux. In the state of the switch is open. The pump will start to work by solar power generated by solar panel. The solar panel will charge the pump and the pump will operate normally. The solar panel will stop when there is not enough sunshine or no sunshine. Duty cycle operation until the next day has the sunshine. Place the pump into clean water. Make sure the water can submerge the pump. Fix the pump and connect the water pipe. 150 liters an hour depending on the model. And if this one is a 7-volt one, then this is 180 liters an hour. Not bad. No quality problem will happen in our controller as it has been tested strictly. Consumer can settle the problems as below when the products have been assembled or used for a long time. If there's no electricity for product, please clean the solar panel or always place it under sunlight. If the pump cannot work or there is no water pump, please clean the impeller and filtering cover if the impeller is clogged with dirt. It should say debris, but dirt is fine. Flow rate control slider is always open. Clean the water pipe if it's blocked. Use with clean water only. Do not place it in other liquid. Never let the pump run dry. Do not use the pump in water above 95 Fahrenheit or 35 Celsius. Use a small brush to place it under water stream to remove debris. Periodically change the water to keep it clean. Check the pump discharge and tubing for kinks and obstructions. Algae buildup can be flushed out with garden hose. Remove the pump front cover and plate to access the impeller area. So that goes in there. That goes in there. Then that goes on top. Then that goes on top. I think I got this backwards. So one of these goes up there. Then it's the big piece. Then it's okay, and you have all these different adapters. So since I don't have any water on me to properly test this, I'll have to do this at some point outside. Heat gun. Instructions for shrinking. Color, shade, and add patterns to plastic shapes. Make holes and cut out shapes. Holding plastic down, skewer, shrink pieces with heat gun. Allow pieces to curl and twist. When piece lies flat, remove heat. I got the black model, and it's 120 volts. Nice how it was English on both sides. And that's it for the box. There is nothing in the box. Nozzle may be hot. Okay, good to know. So this is how it stands up. Important safety instructions can be used by children from 8 years and above and with persons with reduced physical or sensory or mental capabilities or lack of experience and knowledge if they have been given supervision or instruction concerning use of the appliance in a safe way and understand the hazards involved. Children should not play with the appliance. Is an 8 years old still a child? Oh well. Cleaning and user maintenance shall not be made by children without supervision. If the supply cord damaged, it must be replaced by the manufacturer, its service agent, or similarly qualified persons in order to avoid a hazard. Hot air gun. 120 volt AC, 60 hertz, 300 watts. So that's what I got. Do not use outdoor. Keep it out of reach of children. Recommended to wear a safety goggle while using the heat tool. Do not touch with water. Be careful when using the appliance in places where there are combustible materials. Do not apply to the same place for a long time. Do not use in presence of an explosive atmosphere. Be aware the heat may be conducted to combustible materials that are out of sight. Place the appliance on a stand after use and allow it to cool before storage. Do not leave the appliance unattended when it is switched on. So if I wanted a heater, can't leave it like that. Oh well. Protected. Please tear off the protective film. Warning. Can't seem to get the protective film off. Yay. There we go. A nice little decoration. There we have it. That just sits right there in the corner. Try this heat gun. Hopefully without blowing a fuse. Well, it is polarized, so you can't get it wrong. Pretty warm. Pretty fast. Not bad, and then you just set it there on the little stand. Plastic is toasty. Solar interaction wall lamp. Okay. So let's see how many pieces are in here. 2 separate boxes. With this solar power motion sensor. That's the motion sensor. I guess that's the button to turn it on and off. That's the solar panel. Oh, there's the manual. There's the screws. Chinese, Russian, Chinese, English. For charging products, charge for at least 8 hours after receiving the product for the first time. Using the product, do not drain the battery. Flashlight is slightly lit. Please charge it. Place the product in a well-ventilated dry space. Do not place it in damp and hot places. The product does not contain batteries. Please purchase it yourself. Place the product in a well-ventilated dry place and not damp and hot places. Solar products. Check if the solar panel has a protective film. Remove it before use to avoid charging it properly. Place it in a sunny place to charge for 1 day. Maintain the functionality. It's best to place it in sufficient sunlight once a month. Oh, French, Dutch, Espanol, and Latino. So there are 6 of these in one box and 6 in the other. Next package. To avoid danger of suffocation, keep away from babies and children. Do not use in cribs, beds, or playpens. This bag is not a toy. Might be talking about this bag? Oh. This is a fancy toolkit to assist with my other toolkit. So this has all the different bits to open stuff up. Oh. Not a bad thing. Don't think it'll work the way I want it to, but not a ratcheting tool. Comes with tweezers, suction cup, and a pin for you poking out your SIM card or memory card. That's not gonna fit that way. Try this over here. Close as I can get it. Then on the other side, we have all of our bits and more parts, the little guitar picks. We have all different thicknesses of picks. They look like Star Trek emblems. And this one, oh, it's a demagnetizer. Oh, fancy. Positive, negative. Let's see what's in it. Looks like I can pop it open. Use one of the included tools with it. Hey, this is pure ass. Like, nope, doesn't want to work. Nope, doesn't want to work. Silly magnet. Okay, so that's that. And these are all the different types of tools. Now, if they're all spaced here the same, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 16 if you include the key ring. So 116 pieces. And this should get me through almost anything and everything and all the different types of screw heads imaginable. Stars, zeros, star heads, secure heads, all the different security type heads. This thing does not have the... Oh no, I have to check my other kit. Alright, well that's that one. Empty box. And this is a wall lamp, solar induction wall lamp. And it comes with a remote. It's supposed to look like a street lamp. Look at this thing. Ooh, well at least that one works. Oh, and there's different dimming noise things. Might help if I pull the battery out. Oh my god, a 1220? Ugh. Anyway, battery's probably dead. Probably, but not even in it. Nope, there's a battery. So that's your 1220. So the remote does work. I guess this would just go on this because of its rigidity. And this could go on, oops. That goes on that. That locks in, and you put a bolt in there. You put that bolt in your wall. And then, oh yeah, this would be it. There you go. There's your shiny crystal thingy. Okay. So, we got this. We got this. We got these. And we got this. Oh, that's plenty cool now. I should unplug it. Okay, there. And we got this. So this one I'll put outside and see how it works. Wonder, is there protective film? Probably. Oh, there it is. I found it. Goofball. Hey. Now this should work when I put it in the water. Okay. There you go. And we'll see you in the next video. Ooh, tacky.